Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we're gonna work more on our project on vpnhead.com website. What we did in last video, we created login screen, this ugly login screen where we enter username and password and click login and go into the future page that will be for administration, article submission, and it took us 1 hour to finish that task mostly because of the Spring security that we installed 2 videos ago for enhanced security. So we finally were able to fix it and installed. The problem was the communication was blocked between the front end and the back end. So today what we're gonna do, we hopefully this video will be short, where we're gonna just beautify this page, the login page, because right now it's very, I like simple things, but this is ultra simple thing, I would say. The most. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we have already admin logins. Okay, this is the login page. We'll ask ChatGPT help us with this. We will not waste time. Of course, if you're learning stuff, then you shouldn't do everything with ChatGPT, because you will not learn anything. Copying, pasting stuff, it's not learning. It's just eventually leads to many different mistakes and other issues. But I know React, and so that's why for me it will be a time saver. And then after I'll use ChatGPT to improve the website, and we'll go through the code and see what was the improvement and what was not. So first of all, let's do this. First of all, our login screen. So here I like consistency, so let's have our heading in here too, and then in the middle we'll have something. I'll ask ChatGPT to design for us, so surprise, we'll have a surprise design here. Okay, so this is heading. This heading we'll take from any other pages. Header, okay, header, this is header. So it's right here. Okay, so basically this is the component, header component. It takes from here and it renders inside the page, and it gives you that line with the logo and simple menu. So let's go here and right here. I'll put on the top, and let's see. And now we don't have anything here. Okay. What's happening? Header. Okay, yeah, header is not defined. Again, React, same. One of the issues that we had yesterday, we had multiple issues. The main one was security issue, but the small one I remember was the one that we forgot to import stuff. In React you have to import. Here we go. So my helper already gave me ideas to import the header. Okay, and we have, so now it's consistent with all the pages, with home page, with library page. The top part, about page, is the same. And then when it's a secret, our secret, when you click the menu, you get the administration login page. Okay, so let's do this. How about let's play a game. Let's see which one will be the best and the most beautiful design. So we have couple AI helpers here. I mostly use ChatGPT because it's free. The other ones that I have is of course Cloud. Cloud is considered one of the best or the best for coding. Then sometimes I use Grok, That's X, that's Elon Musk's. I use Gemini too. For some reason, I don't really like Gemini. I use it when I need to have something big, because Gemini, for some reason, gives lots of lines of that you can put in the chat. For example, ChatGPT has limited amount of words you can put here, and then Gemini gives you much more, so you can put big files, and plus it generates images, so it's good. It has good potential, but for coding, for some reason, I prefer either ChatGPT or Claude. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try. We'll play a game. We'll give like probably to 3 different AI helpers the same task, and we'll see which one will be the best. So the task will be to build us admin login page in React. So admin login. So let's copy, and then let's go to ChatGPT. Let's put here given this simple code given this simple okay. 1. Okay, so it will build me 1. Then let me try the same thing with Claude. We'll make boring programming fun. And then how about Grok? I don't use Grok either much, but given it's from Elon Musk, and it's kind of very new progressive stuff, Tesla, SpaceX, so hopefully we can see maybe it's good too. Okay, so still building, and then let's go and see. Oh, okay, so it gives me 2 files. Yeah, that's actually, I forgot about that. I need CSS. That's fine. Okay, and then how about this one? This is Claude. Still building. How about Grok? Okay, so it's using in inline CSS, which is good. Actually, I think majority of new code that is created is using this inline CSS, so you don't need to build file. Like here I have React file, and then I have a second file which is CSS file, so I have 2 files for the same page. Here I have only 1 file for everything. And Claude run into an error. Okay, well, that is funny. Okay, first of all, because this one is the easiest way, let's see what we have here, what Mr. Musk built for us. So this one, let's put, okay, let's comment it out, home. Okay, and ladies and gentlemen, that's Elon Musk. It is ugly. Elon, I don't know what's happening, but it's ugly. Okay, thank you very much. Elon Musk is fired. Next on the list is our ChatGPT. Copy. Paste. And then also we need to copy paste the CSS file. Let's create the file first. Pages or CSS. Here we go. New file. Okay. Copy. Paste. And then again I need to, this is not there, this is pages, we go up, so 2 dots, and then go inside of CSS, and that should work. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, it is much better than Grok's one, but it's not matching anything on the website. They moved this thing down, and then well, if I would change button color to green, for example, and then put this box a little bit down, and then I don't know what this space is doing here, then it would be okay. Wouldn't be very good, but I think it would be acceptable, at least for now. And I think the screen color is different here. Okay, it's a good news, because maybe AI will not replace us very soon if it still makes those kind of mistakes. Okay, so let's give a chance to our third friend, Claude. Okay, so it's done here. No, that's a Grok. Oh, this looks much nicer. Except it will not match my design. Again, it has those inline CSS. Okay, let's see how it looks on the screen here. So this one, it's a big file. Okay, let's take a look. It's not working. Why? Admin login JSX. It cannot find something. I don't know if it's nice if your website design is matching. My website design is not matching this all blue gray thing. So the box is nice, and but yeah, make it black and white only. Let's see if we can change it a little bit to something simple. I explicitly told to use minimalistic design, but it does not understand my accent, probably my Lithuanian accent. Okay, so in the meantime, let's see if we can think about leaving the design number 2, ChatGPT. I think I will leave this like because this website is very simplistic. So I'll leave this. I'll just make like the page color. It's gray for some reason. So maybe I'll leave the page color white like here, and then the menu maybe gray, and then just simple username, password, and login instead of something very creative. Because like this is nice, but it's not matching my simple website. It's nice, it looks professional, but it will be different than my site. Plus I have issues with the libraries it uses. Yeah, again, this it cannot find this one for some reason, so I probably need to import additional stuff, and additional stuff I don't want to overwork on thing that you don't really need. I mean, this is just for administration purposes, so basically I'm the only person who will use it, or maybe someone else like that, you know, someone who will be helping me with this project, but that's it. The majority of people will just go to the site and to look for articles and other stuff, so they will not even see and know about this login screen. Okay, so thank you very much. This was very quick video about how to change something from very basic to more than basic, but again, this will take some time to fix it up, change all the colors and everything, and it was a good example of how AI models, although they are very good, they are still sometimes they don't know what they're doing. You have to babysit them, and then after they're done, you have to still adjust everything manually. So keep learning coding. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.